As far as unique circumstances, it really came down to it being his first financing ever. Hey, good morning. My name is Chris. I'm one of the senior advisors with Capital Infusion. Today we're going to be talking about an automotive deal. So my first conversation with the client was pretty interesting. He needed $60,000 to get some parts and to upgrade some of the lifts and stuff around the shop. So we tried setting that up, and it was pretty crucial for him to have that specific dollar amount. The relationship pretty much got built over time and really just walking him through that first deal that we ever did. It was pretty interesting. Just, it's his first time funding. He didn't know much about how it worked. So I really taking him from not knowing anything to understanding the deal perfectly, how it was structured out for him. That's really what helped gain his trust and obviously a meaningful relationship in the long run. As far as unique circumstances, it really came down to it being his first financing ever. Aside from the real estate side that he got for the land itself, he didn't really know much about how it is that we work the working capital side. So walking him through everything step by step and explaining everything in complete detail, that's really what made it more of a unique circumstances. Maybe not for me, but more for the client himself. The client reacted pretty grateful, actually. We still keep in contact, we still work together, so it's been fruitful ever since. But he was very grateful and he got everything that he needed from us, so I'm very glad that we got to take care of it. If you found this helpful in any way, feel free to give us a call, reach out to us. We'll be more than gladly to help you out in any way that we possibly can. Thank you for your time.